How to sell digital downloads on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can sell digital downloads on Etsy. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply come to etsy.com and you will land on this platform right here. Etsy is an amazing marketplace where you can sell all types of different products. You can sell accessories, clothing, home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, art and collectibles, craft supplies, and tools as well. So it's an amazing marketplace where you can actually sell anything and you can earn from home. When it comes to digital downloads, Etsy is becoming very famous in digital download niche. So I'm going to show you how you can actually sell a digital download on Etsy. If you do not have any idea about the digital download, well, it simply means digital product, any product that we create digitally and we sell it online on Etsy, and you simply download it. When a person buys that product from you, they simply download it. Your product can be anything. It can be a digital planner, it can be a wedding invitation template, maybe an announcement template, or maybe a digital portrait. So it depends on you. How to get started? First, you will need to simply go down. I will simply scroll down and I will click on this right here, which is sell on Etsy. So it will allow me to create my own store on Etsy. If you already have a store, that's actually pretty good for you. You're good to go, and you can just simply start with the process, and you will simply upload a product on Etsy. You will list a product on Etsy. But how to actually list a digital product? It's quite similar how you would do it with a physical product. Just there are few of the changes. We have to kind of like select different options when we are selling a digital download. So I'm gonna click on get started and we will simply get started with our Etsy. So now I will simply start with shop preferences. If you already have a shop, then you can simply skip these step, like the first two step, and you can simply go to stock your shop where we actually upload our digital download. So it's okay, it literally takes just 1 second. So let me show you. So the shop language, what language you want your shop to be. So I'm gonna go with English. Then shop country, you can go with any country you want to. I am going with United States. And then we have the shop currency, which is going to be United States dollar for me. Then we have which of these best describe you. I sell part-time, you sell full-time. So I'm going with I sell part-time, and that's how I like it. So these are going to be my option. Simply click on save and continue, and it will take you to the next step, which is going to be naming our shop. So now you have to name your shop. I have written this name right here, which is Sway Closet. This is the name of my shop, and you can see right here it is available. So you will simply add the name of your shop, whatever name you want to give it to you. It can depend on the category, on the niche of products that you are selling. It depends on you that what name you want to give to your shop. So once you have it, you will simply check the availability. If it's available, you're good to go. Simply click on save and continue. So now we have stock your shop option. In here, we are going to be adding our listing right here. So what you have to do is simply click on add a listing, and it will take you to your options where we will be able to add our product and all the information related to the product. For example, product name, the price, and different things that we have to add. So I will simply click on that, and now it will just take a second to load it. So in here we are going to be adding our new listing right here. You can see that we have a lot of different options. So if you already use Etsy and you add physical products, then it's easy for you because you know how this works. But it's okay if you are a beginner and you want to add a digital product. So the first thing is going to be the photos. Add a photo of your product. So whatever your digital product is, you will simply add the images right here. So I'm gonna add an image of my digital art that I want to sell. So I will simply go ahead and add a picture right here. So I have added this product right here. It is actually a digital art that I want to sell, and this is going to be a digital download that people can download once they will simply buy it from me. So now it depends on you. If you have picture in every angle, you can just go ahead and add as many pictures as you want to. This is the thumbnail. I think the thumbnail looks good as well. Then we have the video option. In here I can simply add a 5 to 15 second of video. This actually works pretty good with a physical product, but if you want to add a video for your digital download, you can simply go ahead and add it right here. The maximum size can be 100 MB. So for now, I'm not gonna add a video. Then we have the listing details, the title. So this is the title, and then about the listing, who made it, and I did, and what is it? It's a finished product. When did you make it? So this is not made for order, it was actually made recently. Now we have category. In category, you will simply go for digital products because this is a digital download, right? So I'm gonna go with a digital art. There you go. This is going to be the category. So these are the few options that allow you to add a digital product on Etsy. So for category, I went with digital art. Then we have craft type. If you want to add it, you can go ahead and add it. If you do not want to, it's okay. So craft type, for example, it is a, okay, I can go with this one, and then I can go with abstract and geometric. Perfect. Then we have length. You simply have to add length, width, primary color, secondary color. Then we have celebration. So these are all optional, and the more options you will add, the more your product will stand out. Then we have these options: renewable, automatic, or manual. So this is going to be manual because I do not want it to be automatic. And now this is really important: type. What type of product you are selling. This is the main difference when it comes to physical product and selling a digital product, because you can see right here, this is a physical product that buyers will buy, and then we have a digital product, a digital file that buyers will download. So this was the important option that I wanted to show you. This is the difference between selling a digital product and a physical product. So now we have a product type, which is digital. After that, you simply have to add a description right here. Any description you want to, of course, whatever description you want to add for your product, you will simply add it right here. So once you have added the description, after that, what you have to do is you will select the tags. For example, any tags you want to add. Then we have material if you want to go for that. These are optional, so I am leaving them right now, but I am actually kind of like adding the important ones, because the ones that have this like star, they are the necessary options. So I'm gonna kind of like fill them in. Now we have inventory and pricing. What is going to be the price for my art that I have added? So I am going to be selling it for $12, and quantity is 1. So this is it, and after that I will simply scroll down, and now I will simply upload my digital file right here. This is from where people will actually download the digital file. So you have to upload your file right here. I'm gonna upload my digital file right here. So now it will just take a second to upload my file, and I can actually upload up to 5 more files. Once you have added all the information right here, the most important thing was adding a digital product. Once you have added your digital download right here on Etsy, you will simply click on save and continue, and my product will be added as a digital download on Etsy, and it will be available. After that, I just have to confirm a few of the other things. That's how it works. I will simply go to how you'll get paid, set up my billing, and you can see right here, this is a digital wall art that I have added for $12 right here, and this is a digital product. You can see that it has this tag right here, which is a digital product, and now people will be able to download it. The best thing about selling digital product means that I don't have to pay for the shipment, or I don't have to worry about any other process as well. So I will simply add the product, and then I am good to go, and I will be able to sell my digital download on Etsy.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add a digital download on Etsy. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.